Hey there, welcome to the channel. If you want to create amazing visual collaborations and brainstorms in FigJam without spending hours starting from a blank canvas, this video is for you. I'm going to show you exactly how to use templates in FigJam inside Figma, so you can work smarter, faster, and still customize everything to fit your unique style or team workflow. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to harness the power of ready-made templates and tweak them to make them your own. Let's jump right in. First things first, templates are a massive time saver. Think of them like blueprints for your projects. Sure, you could absolutely build a house from scratch, measuring everything and laying each brick yourself. But with templates, it's like you've got the foundation and framing already done, and now you can focus on the fun part. Making it yours. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Templates and Tools section inside Figma. This is your gateway to a lot of creative resources that Figma and the community have put together. It might take a moment to get familiar with where everything is, so don't worry if you need to click around. Once you're there, use the search bar to look for FigJam design. This step is important. Searching specifically narrows your options to templates designed just for FigJam, which is Figma's collaborative whiteboard tool. So rather than getting lost in a sea of unrelated templates, you're curating your results to what will actually work for your current needs. Now you'll see a variety of FigJam templates appear. Take your time browsing through them. There are templates for brainstorming, flowcharts, team meetings, you name it. When you see one that catches your eye or fits your project, just click to select it. It's perfectly normal if you're not sure which one to pick. Sometimes, it helps to open up a few options to see what feels right for your workflow. Once you've picked your template, there's usually a button or a link that says Open in Figma. Go ahead and click that. This action essentially loads the template into your workspace, ready for you to begin editing. It's like getting a fully furnished apartment. You can move things around, change colors, swap out furniture, or bring in your own style. Take a moment to look around the template, understand its structure, and think about what parts you want to keep or modify. Now comes the fun part, customizing. With the template open in FigJam, you can edit any element. Want to add your team name, change the colors to match your branding, or insert your own sticky notes and diagrams? Totally possible. Don't be afraid to experiment. This is where you get to really make the design yours. And remember, if you ever make a change you don't like, you can always undo it, so feel free to play around. Remember, you're not limited to just editing what's there. You can also copy elements from the template and paste them into your own existing FigJam boards or other designs. This flexibility means you can borrow just the framework or certain components and weave them seamlessly into your own projects. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to quickly find, use, and personalize FigJam templates in Figma, saving yourself loads of time and effort while still creating something uniquely yours. If you found this quick guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions about using FigJam templates, leave a comment below. I check them all and am happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical Figma and design tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.